Hello my little children, welcome to Tiny Tots World YouTube channel. Today is the story of the cow who helped the birds. It was a bright morning at the Green Valley farm. Gowi the cow chewed her grass happily as the birds chirped their morning songs. Everyone was full of joy and peace. Gowi loved listening to the birds every day. Their songs made her heart feel light. But one afternoon, dark clouds covered the sky. The wind began to roar and the trees started to shake. "Oh no," cried Chirpy the sparrow. "Our nest, they will be blown away." The birds fluttered in fear as thunder rumbled above. When the storm finally passed, the trees were broken and the nest lay scattered on the ground. The little birds had nowhere to go. "We have lost our homes," whispered Chirpy sadly. "What will we do now?" Gowi watched them with kind eyes. "Don't worry, little ones," she said warmly. "You can stay near me until your nests are fixed. I will keep you safe." The birds looked up surprised and thankful. Soon the birds found comfort near Gowi. Some perched on her back, others hid under her warm belly from the wind. "This is cozy," chirped Chirpy. Gowi laughed softly, her bell jingling with joy. Gowi shared her food with the birds, letting them peck at grains and hay. "Eat well, my little friends," she said lovingly. The birds sang happily again, soft songs that filled the farm with peace. Ramu the farmer came to see what was happening. He laughing kindly, "Gowi, you have made new friends." He gently placed a wooden box near the Gowi filled with straw to help the birds rest comfortably. With Gowi's help, the birds slowly rebuilt their nest. They worked together. One carried a twig, another carried a straw. "You are doing great," moved Gowi proudly, her eyes shining with joy. When their nests were ready, the birds sang a beautiful song to thank Gowi. "Thank you, Gowi, you saved us," chirped Chirpy happily. Gowi smiled, her heart glowing with peace. From that day on, the birds and Gowi became best friends. Every morning the birds sang her a song and Gowi moved back happily. She had learned that helping others brings peace, not just to others, but to your own heart too. Moral of the story is, helping others brings peace and joy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this story, please subscribe, like and share my channel.